In this lecture, we will see dual input, balance output, differential amplifier. In this particular circuit diagram, as we know, input voltage Vin1 and Vin2 is applied across the Q1 and Q2. That is the base of transistor Q1 and Q2. Whereas input resistance Rin1, Rin2 for the both these transistor. Due to that, whatever the current is flowing inside the base, it's IB1 and IB2 for Q1 and Q2. Whereas Re is common, therefore summation of two emitter current is flowing through this emitter resistance. Now we will see the DC analysis of this circuit. Now this DC analysis, DC equivalent circuit can be obtained simply by reducing the input signal to the terminal to 0. That is Vin1 and Vin2 is equal to 0. Now see, this is the equivalent circuit of this. Now here we do the analysis. Whenever we are going to analysis, we first apply KVL to the base emitter of transistor Q1. That is base emitter loop of transistor Q1. Therefore, our equation will become, that is initial sign of this Rin resistance is plus, so we are considering during KVL is negative sign, minus Rin1 multiplied by IB1 minus VBE minus RE into twice of IE plus VEE is equal to 0. Means, as we know, the typical current equation of a transistor is always given as IE is nothing but summation of IB and IC. But as we know, IB is always negligible, therefore IC is approximately equals to IE. And in terms of beta, beta is always given as IE upon IB. Therefore IB is equal to IE divided by beta DC. So we can write the equation 1. Now this equation 1 is become minus Rin multiplied by, so that is putting the value of IB, that is IE divided by beta DC minus VBE minus 2RE into IE plus VEE is equal to 0. By solving this equation, we will get the value of IE. IE is equal to VEE minus VBE divided by 2RE plus Rin1 divided by beta DC. Generally, this Rin divided by beta DC is always less as compared with your twice of Re. Therefore, IE is given as VEE minus VBE divided by twice of Re. From equation 2, we can say that by selecting proper value of Re, we can obtain a desired value of emitter current IE for known value of minus VEE. Now, VC is equal to VCC minus IC into RC. Therefore, VCE is given as VC minus VE. Therefore, VCC minus ICRC minus VBE. Therefore, VCE is given as VCC plus VBE minus IC into RC. Therefore, we can able to find the operating point, that is IE is equal to ICQ and VCE is equal to VCEQ. Now, as we get equation number 3 and 4, this is the DC analysis of dual input, balanced output differential amplifier.